Go to selection tool to select the billboard. After selecting it, Ctrl+J for marks it duplicate. Then go to channel and select the RGB bright PC. Ctrl+ mouse click. Then again Ctrl+J for marks it duplicate for highlight. Then drag and drop the desired image to the canvas and make it small as the billboard. Now Ctrl+A and Ctrl+X for cut the image. Go to filter vanishing point, then select the billboard perspective wise. Then Ctrl+V to paste the image, drag it to the canvas and Ctrl+T to spread the image all over. Drag the layer under layer 2 and click the image, then select the layer 2 and change the plane mode to soft light. Then select the layer 3 and change the plane mode to multiply. This is the before and after. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content like this.